It's Mike, your registered dietitian at the Weight Loss Institute of Arizona, and I want to do a quick video covering something that you may have heard of many times, and that is 1 pound of fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories. We all accept it, most of us have heard of it, but do we know why 3,500 calories equals a pound of fat? Like, where did they come up with that number? Well, I'm going to tell you, it's really easy. We're going to do it really quickly, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go over with how we get to the 3,500 really fast. I don't want to bore you, so we'll be quick. So 1 pound is equal to 454 grams. That's just a conversion, very simple. So we have to use the 454 grams. Put that aside for a minute. And also what we accept is that 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories. So when you consume a gram of fat, you know you're probably getting about 9 calories from that. So if we know that 454 grams is in a pound, and 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories, if we multiply 454 times 9, then we're going to get a number approximately around 4,000. Okay? So let me grab my calculator, show you how we get that really quickly. 454 times 9, 4,086. So that's not 3,500. Let's get there. How do we get there? Well, we also have to accept the widely accepted conversion that human fat tissue is about 87% fat. It's not 100%. So we need to take this number right here and multiply that by 0.87 or 87%. Okay, now we're down to that 3,500 number that everybody accepts. We go with 3,500. So now we know that. So how do we use that to our advantage? Well, so if I can do a quick Google search on basal metabolic rate and calculate what my daily caloric needs would be. And this will play in that 3,500 calories equals 1 gram of fat in a minute. So if I enter my stats there, height, weight, age, gender, calculate my BMR, it's going to be 2,034 calories a day. That's how many calories I need to maintain my current weight of 210 pounds if I was not active whatsoever. If I consumed 1,000 calories a day and I was not active, I would be at 1,000 calorie per day deficit times 7 days a week. That's an easy number of 7,000 calories. Therefore, 7,000 divided by 3,500 is 2 fat I would lose per week, technically, okay? But we have one more factor here, and that's your activity level. So we go to Harrisbenedict equation right here on the bottom, click on this, and we're gonna get different options. If you're sedentary to lightly active to extra active. Most of us are lightly active, some moderately, so you would take that 2,000, or I would, 2,000 calories and multiply it by a factor of 1.2, 1.375, 1.55. And that's gonna boost my daily needs up to possibly close to 2,500 to 3,000 calories a day. And that's the final number you should use. So let's say my final number was 3,000 calories a day that I need if I'm active. Okay? So if I consumed 2,000 calories a day and times 7 days, that's 14,000 calories a week. If I didn't go and watch my calories and consume 3,000 times 7, that's 21,000. So 21,000 minus 14,000, obviously 7,000. That's my deficit per week. Divide that by your 1 pound of fat equaling 3,500 calories, getting 2 pounds of weight loss, fat weight loss per week. If everything goes smoothly, of course. This is not perfect. If you have weight loss surgery and we have you on 1,000 calories a day and your needs are 2,000 calories a day, that's easy. You know that'll be 2 pounds a week. So if you want some help with computing your own numbers, you can hit me up, mike@wliaz.com, and I'd be happy to help you. And we'll go over how many calories that you need a day. Okay, so yeah, it's a little complicated, but it's something that's good to know, how you lose fat. But I will say that this is not perfect. Sometimes the body's very good at skirting the rules a little bit if it senses there are some issues going on. It's smarter than you think. So Work with your dietitian here at Weight Loss Institute of Arizona to figure this out. If you're really struggling and you are eating 1,000 calories, but you're not losing as much as you thought you would be, let us know. All right. So again, any questions, email, hit me up on Facebook, Instagram at Weight Loss Institute of AZ, and we can explore this a little bit further.